So yesterday we have stopped here where entropy, okay, the term entropy. So the equation for entropy is dq by t. For a normal explanation, we can say that the equation for entropy is ds equal to dq by t. That is change in energy, the change in heat transfer rate divided by absolute temperature. Okay, so how we can represent that particular entropy value in a temperature entropy diagram. We have studied PV diagram for earlier process. PV diagram, constant volume process, constant temperature process, constant pressure process. We had drawn PV diagram, right? For here, this is that particular for entropy process. There is no involvement of volume here. So here we are drawing a particular figure, or we are drawing any diagram in the case of TS diagram, temperature entropy diagram. S is denoted by entropy and temperature is denoted by T. So we are drawing TS diagram for entropy. So how we can represent the particular entropy in a graph? That is temperature entropy diagram. Temperature entropy diagram. So like PV diagram itself, it can be drawn in such a way that temperature is in y-axis and entropy is in x-axis. TS diagram. Okay, TS diagram. For a TS diagram, we can draw a particular figure of a process 1 to 2. 1 to 2. For A to B, we can draw a change in internal energy or change in entropy value can be represented by a figure like this. A to B. A to B. If any process happens in a particular manner, and we can draw a particular diagram of entropy diagram as like this. Okay. And when this point we can say it as S1, and this point we can take it as a S2. Okay, S2. S2. For finding any change in entropy, that is S2 minus S1, change in entropy value, S2 minus S1, we can say that a particular for a process happens from A to B in a for finding the value of change in entropy for any process happening A to B or 1 to 2, we can take the work done here. It is the work done here. It is the area under the curve, right? Work done here. It is the area under the curve, and for change in entropy, we can find the change in entropy by take a small area. Take a small area for analysis. For a small area for analysis, simply A to B. The total heat transfer rate happening here is Q. Total heat transfer is Q for A to B. When we are taking a particular small area, the heat transfer we can consider as a dq, right? Dq. That is the particular small change in heat energy, A to B. And the particular, what is the value of the particular, that you can take the particular entropy value of the small bit is ds. And we can relate the equation as dq or ds equal to at particular ds equal to taken in the vertical width of the particular area, we can take as heat change divided by absolute temperature. That is ds equal to dq by t. Okay. ds equal to dq by t. Or otherwise, for reversible process, when we take a process happening from a particular process, here it is S1 to S2, right? S1 to S2. So we can, for a total, or a full consideration from A to B, from a full consideration A to B, we can take the particular value of entropy as S2 minus S1. S2 minus S1, right? S2 minus S1. If the entropy of initial state is S1, if initial state, entropy of initial state is S1, entropy of initial state is S1, and the particular entropy of final state is S2. So we can write a total change in entropy value as S2 minus S1 equal to integral 1 to 2. 1 to 2 means the process 1 to 2 is A to B or A to B. Okay, 1 to 2 dq by t dt. So dq by t, if it is a reversible process. If it is a reversible process, we can relate the particular equation as S2 minus S1 as integral 1 to 2 dq by t of reversible. Okay. So for the previous module, for the application of first law and second law, we had derived a particular equation. Do you remember that particular SFE equation or particular more equation for flow process and non-flow process? We had derived a particular equation, and look what changes happens for a particular equation when it is a constant volume process, constant pressure process, adiabatic process, isothermal process, and polytropic process. Right? We had derived particular equations, or we have notated particular equations from the basic equation. We are generalizing. For generalizing, we are deriving a particular equation for a process, and for constant volume process, we are relating that equation into other term, that is for a constant volume process, some value equal to 0, and the equation will become like this. And for constant pressure process, the equation will become like this, and in that way. Okay. So here also we are deriving a particular equation, generalized equation for a entropy value, and we are relating, or we are looking what changes it is happening when it is a constant pressure process, constant volume process, constant temperature process, polytropic or adiabatic process. Okay. So very simple equation, very simple equation, not much complications like first law, second law, anything. It's a very simple equation. So what is the equation for a generalized equation for a entropy change in a closed system? Okay. That is, we are going to entropy change in a closed system. So we are deriving entropy change for a closed system and an open system also. So here we are generalizing an equation in the case of a closed system, and we are looking what changes it happens when it is a closed, when it is a like a constant pressure process, constant temperature process, constant volume process, and etc. 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 This is a very simple manner. Okay. So change in entropy energy. Please write down the particular small derivation, that is change in internal energy. Entropy is a main heading. Entropy changes for a closed system. Entropy changes for a closed system. Okay, for a closed system. For general case, we are taking general case. We are taking general case. So, so for this case, we are taking a initial condition and final condition. Initial condition and final condition for a change in entropy. Okay, there is a particular process happening 1 to 2. Take a 1 to 2, and we are taking initial condition and final condition. That is initial condition. That is let 1 kilogram of gas, 1 kilogram mass equal to 1. Okay, mass equal to 1. We are taking mass as unity. So 1 kilogram is heated. 1 kilogram is heated for 1 to 2. Take initial to final condition. For initial conditions are pressure equal to P1, small volume, that is specific volume when mass equal to 1. When mass equal to 1, we can take it as a specific volume, that is small letter V equal to V1, temperature equal to T1, entropy equal to S1. Entropy equal to S1. And that same final condition can be written as final conditions are P2, V2, T2, and S2. Okay. We are taking 1 kilogram of ice, that is mass equal to 1, and we are heating it. When we are heating it, and there is a change in state from 1 to 2. And the initial conditions are P1, V1, T1, and S1. Final conditions are P2, V2, T2, and S2. Okay, very simple manner. And we know that by law of conservation of energy, for this particular process, dq equal to du plus dw. For the first, we have studied a particular question in our first module. That is for a law of conservation of energy. It is first law of thermodynamics. Law of conservation of energy. dq equal to, from first law, dq equal to du plus dw. dq equal to du plus dw. That is q equal to u2 minus u1 plus w. Okay, q equal to u2 minus u1 plus w. That equation. That is the same manner for a small process. For a small process, dq equal to du. Du means change in internal energy. That is u2 minus u1. Small u2 minus small u1. Du plus dw work done. dq equal du plus dw. Okay, dq equal to small change in heat. dq equal to small change in heat. Change in heat. du equal to change in internal energy. Internal energy. Small and small, very small. dw equal to small work done. Small work done, right? So we know that the particular dw, that is work done. Work done. Work done w is a work done w. Work done w is equal to, we can write it as a particular PV or PW work, PDV work. PDV work for the first module we have studied PDV work. When the particular happens in a particular 1 to 2, we can relate the particular equation into work and equal to PDV work. So here dw can be written as substituting dw equal to PDV. dw equal to PDV. Small work done. Okay, small work done PDV. Small work done PDV, and we can write du equal to CV dt. CV dt. CV dt. That is u equal to CVT. H equal to CPT is a very important term that we have studied in the first module. That is u equal to second module. That is, for in the case of first law, we have studied the particular question, that is internal energy u equal to CV into T. That is specific heat at a constant volume into temperature, and H equal to CP into T for a perfect gas. For a perfect gas, we have studied u equal to CV into T, H equal to CP. So du equal to CV into dt. CV into dt for a small change. CV is a constant value, so we don't want to take a dCV in the so CV into temperature dt. So du equal to CV into dt. So please convert the equation as dq. dq equal to CV dt plus PdV, right? The equation will become as dq equal to CV dt plus PdV. CV dt plus PdV. Divide the total equation by T. Divide the total equation divided by T. Divide the whole equation by T. So we will get dq by T equal to CV dt by T plus PdV by T, right? PdV by T. PdV by T. We know that dq by T is entropy, right? dq by T is entropy. dq by T equal entropy, change in entropy, right? Change in entropy. So we can write as dq by T equal ds. Right? dq by T equal ds. So we are 1, 2, 3 substitution we are happening here. This dq by T equal to ds. dq by T equal to ds. And we know that PV equal to RT for a perfect gas. Perfect gas, we know that PV equal to RT. So we are arriving at P by T in substitution. Here PdV by T, PdV by T is here, and we are substituting for P by T. P by T is substitution. That is here PV equal to RT. We know that. Therefore, P by T is R by V, right? R by V, small v. PV equal to RT for a perfect gas. We know that PV equal to RT. PV equal to MRT, right? PV equal to MRT. Here mass equal to what? 1 kilogram. So PV equal to RT. Therefore, P by T equal to R by V. So here P by T is there. We are giving the particular equation for P by T and dq by T as ds. And rewriting the particular equation as, and rewriting the equation. So the equation becomes, and this equation becomes dq by T is ds. ds equal to CV dt by T. That is CV dt by T plus PdV by T and R by V dV, right? R dV by V. R by V dV. Okay. R by V dV. So thereafter, integrating the particular equation, you will get the final solution. That is integrating both sides. Integrating both sides. Integrating both sides, we will get integral ds. Integral ds means s1 to s2, s1 to s2 ds, integral cv dt by t, cv is constant, and integral dt by t, temperature t1 to t2, t1 to t2, and plus r dv by v, means r into integral v1 to v2 dv. Right? Integrating both sides, we will get integral ds, that is s1 to s2 equal to cv is a constant we are taking outside, and dt by t, that is t1 to t2, temperature with respect to temperature and t1 to t2, plus r is a constant value we are taking outside, and dv by v, that is v1 to v2, right? v1 to v2. So after integration, we will get the integration of ds. ds means s. ds means s. s of s1 to s2, right? s of s1 to s2 equal to dt by t is log respect to t, right? t1 to t2. cv is there, plus r is there, log ev, or log simply log v1 to v2. Right? So we can write this question as s2 minus s1 equal to cv log t2 minus log t1, right? Log t2 minus log t1. What is log t2 minus log t1? Log t2 minus log t1. Log t2 minus log t1 means log t2 by t1. Right? Please write on in a right column. That is log t2. Log a minus log b is log a by b. Log a minus log b is log a by b. So we can write cv log respect to v t2 by t1, and plus r. This equation also becomes log v2 minus log v1, right? Log v2 minus log v1 is log v2 by v1. Log v2 by v1. So this is the final equation of the change in entropy value for a closed system. The final equation for a change in entropy value for a closed system, that is s2 minus s1, that is change in entropy equal to cv log t2 by t1 plus r log v2 by v1. cv log v2 by v1 plus r log v2 by v1. cv log t2 by t1 plus r log. Okay. So this is the case. That is, here it is cv and r. Like cv and r. cv and r in the case on like cv and r constant case. cv and r. Here the constants are cv and r. So we can also write the same equation by substituting several values in the case of CVR. Then we can also write CPR. CPR in the case of equation. Okay, CPR. We can also derive equation in the case of CPR also, and we can also derive the case of CP and CV. This combination വരുന്ന മൂന്ന് equation നമുക്ക് കിട്ടും. So first one ഞാൻ ഇത് കാണിച്ചത് എങ്ങനെ കിട്ടുന്നതെന്ന്. According to, we can also write this equation in the case related by the term this. Question ഏതാണ് തരുന്നതെന്ന് അറിയില്ല. So we can take any three equations. Okay. So first equation is in the case of CV and R is particular requisite equation. So next we know that for a gas equation, according to gas equation, simple equation is simple equation. According to gas equation, we know that P1 V1 by T1 equal to P2 V2 by T2. P2 V2 by T2. That is PV equal to RT1. PV equal to RT1. The equation is P1 V1 equal to RT1. P2 V2 equal to RT2. So we can also write the equation as P1 V1 equal to RT1. There are constants R equal to P1 equal to RT1. So R equal to P1 V1 by T1, and P2 V2 equal to RT2. So here R equal to P2 V2 by T2. Okay, these are R equal to and R equal to. So we can equate the particular term P1 V by T1 equal to P2 V2 by T2. And then an equation with P1 V by T1 equal to P2 by V2 by T2. Okay. From here we can write T2 by T1. So we can substitute that T2 by T1 substitute T2 by T1. So T2 by T1 from this equation is T2 by T1. T2 goes here and P1 V1 goes here. Okay. T2 goes here and P1 V1 goes here. So T2 by T1 equal to P2 by P1 into V2 by V1. Right? T2 goes here and P1 V1 comes here. then T2 by T1 equal to this equation. Substitute that value here. For here. Substitute that T2 by T1 equation. That is one equation I will consider. Okay. That is S2 minus S1 equal to S2 minus S1 equal to simply substitute the value of T2 by T1. PV log E T2 by T1 over P2 by P1 into V2 by V1, right? P2 by V1, T2 by T1, and the other equation as same R log V2 by V1. So this is the case of log A into B, like log A into B, log A into B. TV is a constant value, so log A into B. What is log A into B? Log A into B is log A plus log B, right? Log A into B is log A plus log B. Log A plus log B. So we can split the equation as CV. CV is a constant, so taking outside. So CV also we are putting CV also for the both equations. That is log P2 by P1 plus CV log V2 by V1. Okay, we are splitting the equation like log AB equal to log A plus B, and same equation log V2 by V1. Well, okay, here, okay, both two equations are there. Okay, here log V2 by V1 is there. Log V2 by V1, and also again a log V2 by V1 is there. Alright, log V2 by V1 is there, and again a log V2 by V1 is there. So we can combine that both log V2 by V1 together. Log V2 by V1 together. So here CV log P2 by V1, simply writing the particular equation, plus we can combine the log V2 by V1 together. So taking log V2 by V1 is common. Log V2 by V1 is common, and the other term is CV plus R, right? CV plus R. CV plus R. What is CV plus R? CP minus CV equal to R, right? CP minus CV equal to R. The equation CP minus CV equal to R. So what is CV plus R? CP, right? CV plus R is CP. So we can write the equation as CV log P2 by P1 plus CP log V2 by V1. Simply S2 minus S1 as this equation in the case of with respect to CV and CP. Here this equation is CV and CP equation. It is CV log P2 by P1 plus CP log V2 by V1. Ready? Okay. And അടുത്ത ഞാൻ ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല, ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞുതരാം എന്താണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Equation മാത്രം എഴുതാം. That is in the same next condition, for next condition we are applying this equation. We are simply writing this equation only. Again, according to gas equation, we are writing this relation. Okay, relation, and we are substituting for V2 by V1. Here V2 by V1 എടുക്കുക. V2 by V1 എടുക്കുക. Others term can take outside. Okay, V2 by V1 equation ആക്കുക. Again, we are taking the same equation and we are substituting for V2 by V1. Write the equation for V2 by V1 and V2 by V1 ആക്കുക, and we will get a same equation like this. Here, this particular product will be come here, and we can we can split the equation like this: a log a b equal to log a plus b, and log a plus b, and we can combine the particular values together, and we will get the equation as third equation as S2 minus S1 equal to CP log T2 by T1 minus R log T2 by V1. There minus sign will be there. Minus sign will be there. Okay, there will be a minus sign. Okay, so this equation is based on CP and R, right? CP and relation between CP and R. So we get the three equations. That is, the first equation is S2 minus S1 plus R log V2 by V1, right? CV is a constant value, R is a constant, T2 by T1 is initial and final temperature, V2 by V1 is the initial and final volume, S2 minus S1 is the change in entropy. So if the question is asked to find the value of change in entropy, change in entropy, we can apply this particular equation. Or it is given as it is a constant pressure process, or it is given as a constant volume process, we can write the particular equation. Okay, this is the general equation for the particular change in entropy equation for a closed system. 3 equations based on CPR, CBR, and CPCV. Okay, S2 minus S1, change in entropy. So what is the case? What is the particular case in the case of first case? First case, not a first case. For a, you can write for a constant volume process. For a constant volume process, like we same method we had done in the previous module, constant volume process. So what is the equation for the change in entropy for a constant volume process? The question is asking like that a particular gas is heated from isentropically or adiabatically from a temperature of 50 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius at a constant volume. Okay, at a constant volume. And some other question will be asked like that. And extremely methane gas is adiabatically compressed to a particular volume at a constant pressure. Okay, when the equation asking particular manner, a constant volume, constant pressure, or adiabatically, or particular constant temperature process, etc., isothermally, so we can take the further equations. Okay, so for a constant volume process, the equation will be, the figure will be like that, TS diagram, constant volume, that is okay, sorry, TS diagram. The equation will be like a height slope 1 to 2, and the heat transfer rate, we can find the value, heat transfer rate is Q here, where the area sustained by the curve is Q value. Here is S1 and here is S2. Here is T1 and here it is T2, right? T1, T2, S1, S2. T1, T2 and S1, S2. So for a constant volume process, we can take a 1 kilogram of waste. Simply we can mass equal to 1. We can take mass equal to 1. Heated at a constant volume. At the change in entropy and absolute temperature can be S1 to S2 and T1 to T2. Okay. Then we know the equation for the normal equation for a heat transfer for a Q. For this particular Q, heat transfer under the curve, we know the particular equation, that is for a constant volume process, MCP delta T, like MCV delta T ആണ് Q in equation. MCV delta T ആണ് Q in equation. നമുക്ക് സാധാരണ അറിയുന്ന equation. So here we know that M is a for equation Q ആണ്. Equation for Q equal to CV T2 minus T1, right? Temperature change CV because a constant volume process equals Q equal to CV into T2 minus T1. Okay. So when we take a small volume here, when we take a small area here, we can take a small area here. When we take a small area, we can write this equation as dq equal to cv dt. That particular small, when we, it is a total big process 1 to 2 for a constant volume process. We are, when for analysis, we are taking a small area. അത് വലിയ കാര്യമൊന്നുമില്ല, മനസ്സിലാക്കിയത് എന്താണെന്നുള്ളത്. We can take a small area here, and for a small area എടുക്കുക, അതിന്റെ temperature change ds അല്ലെങ്കിൽ dq, that particular small area in heat transfer we can take as dq, and that particular temperature change is dt, ചെറിയ change dt, dq to cv delta t. Okay, and divide both equation, suppose divided by t, അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ estimate s1 നമുക്ക് കിട്ടുള്ളൂ, dq by t കിട്ടണ്ടേ. So divided by t, will get dq by t equal to cv into dt by t, cv dt by t. Then we know that dq by t is ds, ds equal to cv into dt by t. Integrating, same procedure we had done for the derivation, integrating ds s1 to s2 equal to cv, dt is t1 to t2, d2 by t equal to, we will get the equation as s2 minus s1 equal to cv log t2 minus t1, that is log t2 minus log t1 is log t2 by t1. So this is the equation for a constant volume process. Okay, constant volume process equation is s2 minus s1 equal to cv log t2 by t1, cv log t2 by t1. And we can relate the same equation in the case of constant pressure process. And the maji kodutha madi CV ന്റെ value CP എന്നായി കൊടുത്തുകഴിഞ്ഞാൽ constant pressure process equation ആയി. Like the figure is as like same as the constant volume. അത്ര സ്ലോപ്പ് ഇല്ല, കുത്തനെയല്ല, കുറച്ച് ചെരിഞ്ഞിട്ടാണ് വരച്ച് കാണിച്ചത്. This equation S2 minus S1 equal to CV log T2 by T1 for constant volume process. Okay. And for constant pressure process ആണെങ്കിൽ second is constant pressure process. Constant pressure process, the equation particular diagram will be like this, 1 to 2, the same figure. S minus S1, we are taking a Q value and we are taking a particular small area dq equal to that equation. Okay, and Cp delta Tq, here Q equal to Cp on Cp T2 minus T1, the same derivation and same explanation. Here constant volume curve ഇങ്ങനെയാണ് വരിക കേട്ടോ. ഇങ്ങനെ constant volume curve is like കുറച്ചും കൂടി ചെരിഞ്ഞിട്ട് കുറച്ചും കൂടി നേരെ. Cp value is Cp constant pressure line is കുറച്ചും കൂടി താഴ്ന്നിട്ട്. മനസ്സിലാക്കുക ആ ഫിഗർ എങ്ങനെയാണ് വരുന്നത്. സോ ഇക്വേഷൻ വിൽ ബി ദ സെയിം ഇക്വേഷൻ. വി ക്യാൻ റിലേറ്റ് ദ സെയിം ഇക്വേഷൻ ബൈ കൺവേർട്ടിംഗ് ബൈ സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ടിംഗ് ദ വാല്യൂ ഓഫ് Cp ടു ദ ഇക്വേഷൻ. Cp കൊടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഉത്തരം ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് S2 minus S1 equal to Cp log T2 by T1. Cp log T2 by T1. Constant pressure process, constant volume process and constant pressure process. Okay. Third is isothermal, that is constant temperature. Isothermal process, constant temperature. We know that it's a TS diagram. It's a TS diagram. For a constant temperature, the line will be temperature line and y square. So constant will be like this, like 1 to 2. Constant temperature on. So the value will be like this. And the area substance here it is S1 to S2, like this. Constant temperature process, the figure will be like this TS diagram. TS diagram is very important one. Okay, TS diagram for entropy area is very important one. So many questions is asking like that to find the entropy change and to find the heat transfer rate, to find the something. And the last part A, B, C, D, and the part D will be draw a HS diagram for the particular process. Draw the HS diagram, draw the TS diagram for the particular process. TS diagram വരക്കാനും ചോദ്യം ചോദിക്കാറുണ്ട്. Okay, so TS diagram is very important one. So simply you can write the equation. So Cp here, Cp the equation. Okay, Cp equation here written as like this. Cv equation very written as. So isothermal process equation വെച്ചോ S2 minus S1 equal to here not Cp, not Cv, not constant volume, not constant. So R, third equation, third quantity is R, constant R. R log V2 by V1. R log V2 by V1 is the equation for constant temperature process, isothermal process. R log V2 by V1. R log V2 by V1. Okay. R log V2 by V1. R log V2 by V1. Fourth condition is adiabatic process. Adiabatic process. Adiabatic process. For adiabatic process, we know that there is a no heat transfer rate. So dq equal to 0. No heat transfer. Adiabatic process is a particular process where no heat transfer takes place. No heat transfer takes place. So we can add dq to 0. Therefore, dq by T equal to 0. That is S2 minus S1 equal to 0. So everything is equal to 0. Everything is equal to 0. So there is no particular change in entropy will be there in adiabatic process. That is, equation will be, the diagram will be TS diagram. You can draw it as constant entropy. For adiabatic process, constant entropy 1 to 2. So the figure will be like this. Okay, adiabatic process. Okay, and the last case is polytropic, right? Polytropic. Polytropic means here adiabatic means P raised to gamma equal to constant, right? P raised to gamma equal to constant, and polytropic means P raised to n equal to constant. P raised to n equal to constant. So here also we can simply write the equation for a polytropic process. Simple equation is S2 minus S1 equal to Cv log T2 by T1 plus R log V2 by V1. നമ്മളെ CVR റിലേഷൻ ഇക്വേഷൻ ഇല്ലേ, തുടക്കത്തിലെ ഇക്വേഷൻ CVR ഇക്വേഷൻ ഇല്ലേ, ആ ഇക്വേഷൻ ആണ് ഇവിടെ വരുന്നത്. സോ again for we are applying that particular P when we apply P1 V1 raised to n equal to P2 V2 raised to n ഇക്വേഷൻ ഒക്കെ അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ, after applying the particular P1 V1 raised to n equal to P2 V2 raised to n, we will get a particular another equation for a Poultron. That equation is very important one. Third equation, final equation. That is, this is a simple equation for a Poultron process. Simple equation, that is a general equation. And after for a Poultron process specifically, we will get an equation that is only equation that is S2 minus S1 equal to that particular figure we can draw. For a Poultron process, the equation will be like just opposite of S2 S1. Okay, just opposite of the constant volume and constant pressure. 1 to 2. Okay, then the equation will be S2 minus S1 equal to CV n minus gamma divided by n minus 1. So many derivations are there. Okay, I am skipping the derivation and writing only simply at equation. Log E means simple log T2 by T1. Okay, T2 by T1 per kilogram of gas. Per kilogram of gas means mass equal to 1. Mass equal to 1. So S2 minus S1 equal to CV into n minus gamma by n minus 1. N minus gamma by n minus 1 to log T2 by T1. Log T2 by T1. This is the equations. Okay, I'm stopping this session here. So for this session, we have discussed about the main generalized equation for a change in energy, change in entropy, right? Change in entropy for a closed system. Change in entropy for a closed system. And that is a simple equation. There are three equations related to main equation and the three equations we have CP, CV, CPR, and CPR. The three equations. And for a constant volume process, constant pressure process, constant temperature process, adiabatic process, and polytropic process, we have find by different type of derivations. Okay, equations. So ഓർത്ത് വെക്കുക, ഇത് വെച്ചിട്ട് പ്രോബ്ലം എന്തായാലും ചോദിക്കും, ഉറപ്പായിട്ട് യൂണിവേഴ്സിറ്റിയും ചോദിക്കും, right? So that's for today.